Good evening, everybody. Time for some evening call-outs. Not going to be on long at all. Hopefully not long at all. But anyhow, hope you all had a great day. Hope you all had a great evening, having a great evening, whatever. Hope it's going well for you. So it's PM call-outs for tomorrow's trades. This is the one you guys should be watching. I don't know why you don't. It's like the smallest views I have is on these videos and it should be the highest. Kind of weird. Live trading. I don't know. The hell's today? 11/8/23. SafetyTrade.com. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Right with y'all. Okay, I can't spell one word right. How's everybody doing tonight? I'll be right with y'all once I got to finish setting things up. All right, I think we're good. Save, go over to here, close this one down. Good evening, everybody on TikTok. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Good evening, everybody everywhere. I have no open orders for any options, not even on my demo. Huh. Good evening, BH8, the Griffey. NAS 30-minute NAS was that 30-minute NAS was the gift. I know, right? All the 15-minute, 30-minute NAS, SPX, and US 30 were all gifts. And you're welcome. Thank you, God. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Good evening, Henry Chassain, the Wealth Creation Project. Excellent evening. Ryan Marcus, good evening. Aladar, too. Good evening. I didn't see you this morning, Aladar. Good evening, George Hyde. Good evening, CJ Steed. Good evening, Modo. Good evening, Mr. Noble, Robel. Good evening, Abil Cashew. Good evening, everybody. Hope we make some good calls for you all tonight. Let's see how it works out. Again, right now, I don't care how many people are anywhere. You guys just have your... Oh, no, I haven't clicked that. There we go. Good evening, Jamie Rojo. Thank you, Robel, for being on both, as always. Good evening, Jason Homosam Bath. Good evening, Kenny J. Good evening, Erica. All right, guys, now that my good evenings are out of the way. Oh, let me make sure on TikTok. I mean, on YouTube. Hold on. Why doesn't it refresh? It's quite annoying. Oh, good. Good evening, Jay Parker. Good evening, Dopamine and Caffeine. Good evening, JSMB1. That's funny. Dopamine. Caffeine. Anywho. JSMB. Oh, okay. Gotcha, Jason. Good evening, everybody. Hope you all having a great night. A little bit on the... We were watching that 2919 Godzilla movie, my brother, and Bree's doing some training with Carson right now, but she says hi to everybody too. Let's see. Where are we? I have no idea. Yeah, 30-minute buys, paid off today. Like everything was fantastic today. All right, we'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and make some call outs first because I usually get carried away with everything. And then we'll get back to actually how to trade. So let me go ahead and do my call outs first. Then we're going to go over how to trade. That purple line is where I left you on. It's very important for us when we go forward here. 1 minute. Let's see what we got. So I'm going to start with U.S. oil, UK oil, then I'll tell you where we're going. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, U.S. oil, UK oil. 5 minute, 15:30. 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop, U.S. UK oil. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Daily, weekly buy stop, U.S. oil. Did we hit the blue line there? I don't know. And that's all we need to know on UK US oil. XRP. Let's see how she did today. Oh, well, 68 cents. We'll hold. Sell stop. Let's see. Did it already hit it? It did. XRP. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. XRP. 15:30, 30, 30, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. XRP. It's going to go up again. XRP daily, weekly XRP daily. Weekly sell stop XRP, but I think we're going to skip it. Monthly buy stop XRP. Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ethereum run together. Let me check a couple things here. Oh, we're way above it. Ethereum. 1 minute, 5 minute Ethereum buy stop. Too late. 30 minute, 30 minute buy. You can play some 1 minute buys. These are going to be 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. Ethereum. Weekly sell stop to the blue line. Monthly buy stop. Ethereum. Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. It's already there. 1 hour, 4. Oh, it's a 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop. Was that today? No. Okay. Shoot. 4 hour daily buy. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. GPB, JPY. Let's see how she did today, huh? Oh, looks beautiful. 1 minute buy, too late. 5 minute buy. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. It's not too late. It's a little late entering in, though. It's already kind of moved. I kind of would wait on this one, but yeah, just a beautiful update today. I'm not calling anything else on GBP, JPY. UDCHF is the complete opposite of EURUSD. So whatever I call for EURUSD, it's the opposite. ERUSD, 1 minute. Oh, nice. Yep, that's why we made money on that buy today. Huh. Remember this one? That's where we left you. I did a buy and made money on ERUSD. It was beautiful. Anywho, EURUSD 5 minute buy. It's a little too late. It's a little too late. I wonder who does that song, JoJo. 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. 1 hour, 4 hour buy to the blue line. Did it hit the blue line? Nope. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stops to the blue line, to the 4 hour blue line for ERUSD. That's what it's doing. Then look for, after it builds up, it's going to take a few days to build, though, I think. Then look for a daily, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line on ERUSD. Gold. Boy, I only have one trade open. It's still my gold up over 100 pips. Yay. Gold. Hopefully it's starting to flip around now. 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop gold. Still has to go up. 15. 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop. Back down to the blue line again. It's going to ricochet. Gold. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop gold. That's why I'm staying in this trade. Hope it doesn't tap me out. Shit. It's going to tap me out. Nope, we're pretty far away. I don't think we're going to get tapped. I think I'll be okay. Weekly was a buy. Too late on that. SPX, here we go. Let's see what happened with SPX. Easy peasy money. Let's go back to when I left you guys today. This is SPX. Look right here. I left you in a sell stop to the blue line. Gee whiz, let's see. There's the blue line I'm talking about if you're unfamiliar with it. The purple is where I left you. This is what it went down to on SPX. Touched this blue line. Here's NAS, touched this blue line. And here's US 30, touched this blue line. They all went past it. So this call that I made for you, left you with, has now happened. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening currently. 1 minute buy, but I don't care about that. We're going to go over to here. 15 minute buy. 30 minute, nope. 30 minute buy. 30 minute, 1 hour. No, it is not. It is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. What is this? US 30? No, that's SPX, isn't it? No, US 30. SPX. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop SPX. NAS. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop NAS. Look at how perfect these are. Step up 1, step up 2, step up 3, step up 4. Gorgeous. All right, will we see a 1 minute sell stop again? I don't know. I'm going to leave this one up. Let me see. I'm going to leave this out of there. Oh, sorry. Let me get this over here. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour buy. Depends on what you're doing. Sell stop. Is this a daily sell? Hold on. Not really. I'm going to stick with that. I like these. I think we're going to redo the sell stop 1 minute towards the blue line again overnight, or at least get close. I don't think it might hit it, but I think it's going to go down and get close. I'm much more interested in these 30 minute, 1 hour buy stops. Which one is the best? Let's take it slow. We're going to go over to here. We're going to open up a 1 hour over here. We're going to open up a 30 minute here. See, it's not even up. No, that's not acceptable. So this is SPX, 4 hour? Really? SPX? Yep, SPX. So SPX can be nothing but, yeah, it's coming down right now. It's got to come down. This is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop SPX. Can I get it on a good entrance here? Hold on. Kind of should have been in this one right here. Damn. It's not close enough to the 1 hour. I do think we're going to see that downward pull here. Let me see on NAS. Yeah, NAS never came down. Fuck. NAS the same thing. You should already been in this buy stop though. Fuck. Hold on. US 30. US 30 is a little better. It's a little closer. Yeah, buy stop US 30. If I was going to do anything, I'd go over to my. I wish I could do these knockouts, but I don't know what the fuck they are. Indices. Wall Street. 18 hours. All right. Now, I don't know how to do this. But what I'm going to do is. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just placed the US 30 though. I'm going to go over to the binary options I am familiar with. I'm going to go over to US 30 and I'm going to go ahead and do this one right here. If they have anything reasonably good, maybe the 43 right here. Negative. Maybe the 23. Oh, it's a 6. My bad. 42.66. Yeah, that's fine. We're going to go ahead and do 5 of those, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my take profit in for those. It's going to be somewhere around 85. I'm going to place my order right there. And we're going to hold, and we'll see how those work out. Now, I have no idea what I did with the knockout, but I am 100% positive what I did with the other. All right, I'm good. Now, let's see what you got. Good evening, Lock. Good evening, Coach. Good evening to me, I guess that is, not you. Good evening, Lock. God, I'm tired. All right, made all the call outs to everything. Let me see. Good evening, Del Manti. Good evening, Larry Cooper. Good evening, Arsham Mersham. Howdy, I'm Sid's friend. Oh, nice. What's up, Arsham? Good evening, Yolanda. Good evening, Tanny B. Good evening, NS. Good evening, Tom Williams. Good evening, working for a living, Bob Uten. Yeah, right. Set an attachment. Good evening, John Sparks. Good evening, Cliff. Good evening, Tim Wong. Good evening, Tom Williams. On the 1 hour time frame there, are you blue boxes on top market opens? Always wanted to ask. No, the blue boxes are just what I like to trade in as far as marking my days off for the busy times. That's all they are. I don't use them anymore. They got too confusing for everybody, and I'm not doing it. So, again, I'm trying to keep everything lowest common denominator here. What's up, BCM? All right, so we're good. We're covered with everything. Erica, if you have any questions, please ask. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube, please ask. The blue boxes are just what I trade in. That's all. They're busy times. That's all. Like right now, you don't want to trade. Trust me. All right, just called out like 12, 15 different symbols. Now I'm going to go over how we're trading these symbols so you guys have a good idea right here. I don't want to do a 1 hour, 4 hour though. Let me see right here. Let me go over to NAS. Yep, we're going to do NAS. So what we're going to look for on NAS is this. A little too late, a little too late. All right. What a gorgeous day today. What a picture perfect day, picture perfect trading day. Now, what we're looking at, can I do US 30 by chance? Hold on. Let me see if US 30 is any good. No, it is not. So you got to be careful with US 30. All right, so here we go. Back to NAS. All right, here we go. I left you with this. I left you right here with the 1 minute sell stop. It went down to the blue line. Then I said it would form a 1 hour buy stop, which it is right now. So what we're doing right now is very, very, very simple. I would never do a trade right now. First of all, let's get this clear unless I'm doing Nadex and let it just, develop and who cares. All right, so what we have is this. All you need to learn how to trade is very simple. If there's anyone new here, you can speak up, and I'll show you what it looks like on our trading view, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on MetaTrader 4 first. So here we go. The first thing you're going to look for, okay, is very simple. This is the system. This is the sniper system for $150 add-on. This is the one. Boop. Right here is the blue line high. And you can see the pink line is low, so the blue line is high. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. Before I get into that, let's start in the beginning of how I actually trade everything every morning. Let's be clear. I wake up in the morning. I say my prayers. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, which is closer with Him, blah, blah, blah. And I go through all my prayers. Then I do all my Wim Hof breathing, my cardio, my weightlifting, some cold therapy, any rate. So I do all that stuff, right? And then I come in here. When I come into here, I review my rules. So this is how I trade. I'm going into detail so you guys can learn. I have these rules printed. I have these rules laminated. I have these rules taped to the side of my monitors, multiple different places, and I have them directly in front of me, and I actually look at these with you guys live. So what am I looking for? The very first thing is I'm looking for a logo on the higher and lower time frame, either buy or sell. Okay, how do we find that logo? We come down to here. We look at the perfect safety trade setup. It says on the 1 minute chart, blah, 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 red arrow, blah, or green arrow, blah, blah, blah. Perfect safety trade, and it's verified on the D. Okay, so I'll show you how we find that in just a second. Then I go down to these specific rules right here, just like this. And what do? I read these to myself, and I'll read them to you out loud. If you don't see a clear safety trade on the 1 minute, look to the next higher time frames, but always keep checking back to the 1 minute because they will form first. The order in which they form is 1 minute, 5 minute. You may open more than one trade, blah, blah, blah. Look to the next highest time frame. As soon as you enter a trade, put your pivot in for your stop loss at the pivot point. I don't even know why people ask me that. I'm pissed when people ask me stupid shit that you already know. Take profit 1 to 2, 3 pips, or open up 2. And I love opening up 2 or more, letting them run. Always move your sell stop, buy stop line up or down with the order. Okay. Now, this is the most important rules we ever have. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits, and always have my back. I don't really care about that one, but these 2 are very important. Okay. Now, after I'm done reviewing my rules, I then immediately go to my charts. The first thing I look for is my NAS, SPX, and US 30 to see if there's any 15-minute or 30-minute buy stops that are formed. So I pull up NAS. I look to the 15-minute, and yep, it's down there, but it also the 30's down there. So this is the latest one that it is. If I go to the 1 hour, I can see it's up high. So what do we do now? Then I replace everything right here. So it's very, very simple. My system is literally made for beginners, literally made for newbies. They always do better because the people who think they know how to trade, their heads are full of shit. So the first thing you have to realize, you have to get rid of all that stupid stuff, thinking volume, VWAP, all that blah, blah, blah works. It doesn't. So you get it out of your brain. Then you learn this. Number 1, blue line is high on the 1 hour on NAS. Pink line is low. Blue line is high. You see it high? Yep. We're going to go over to here. Number 2, the 30-minute blue line is low on NAS. See, pink is up high. This is down low. Got me? So there it is. Pink is down low. Number 3 is the blue line, is the pink line down low on the 1 hour. No, it is not. It has to still fall further for this to be a better trade, but it's going down that way, so it's close. Number 4, and the last thing, is there a buy stop? And you can clearly see green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You'd have made a shit ton of money. So my call, when I made this call where I said there's a 1-minute sell stop at blue line, all came true. And when there's a 30-minute 1 hour, well, here's your 30-minute 1 hour buy stop. On NAS, you'd have either gotten in on the red or the yellow line, and you'd have made 60 pips, or you'd have made 50 pips, either one. And you can clearly see that the our logo formed over here. Let me show you what we look like for logo so we're clear. Price started down here, way down here, came up, touched that yesterday, came up, touched down here today, came all the way up, formed here. Our logo again started low, came up, came over here, and shot back up again. This is why we only trade our logos. This is the perfect safety trade. And you always verify whenever it pulls down on our, in this case, 1 hour, it forms either a 15-minute or a 15-minute. Let me move this over a little bit. A 15-minute or a 30-minute buy stop. So let's see what it looks like on the 15 for us. Right here, you can clearly see there's another one right here. This is a buy stop on the 15-minute. This is a buy stop on the 30-minute. So it's beautiful. We're a little too high. I expect this to pull back down tonight. So I'm looking for these 1-minute sell stops. I would stay in those forever unless it flips and takes my profit. Then I would look for the 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stops. That's all we're waiting for and doing. That's how simple trading is. That sounds complicated to you. Buy the system so you can actually get the rules. Try it a few times. Then you become monotonous with boredom, because then it's just boring. Okay. Now, did everyone out there get that, or you want me to go over that again for you? I only have one trade open, by the way. Pull this up for you. I have my gold buy stop still open. That's all. That's this one right here. It's only 100. We were up 150 pips at one time, $150 an ounce. Now we're up $103 an ounce only. I'm okay. I'm going to live with that. TikTokers, any questions over how to trade? I just taught you everything you needed to know. YouTubers, here we go. Cliff, Tom, J. Parker, once again, I'm still learning. I love how you show the trademark without the red or green arrow. The trademark without the red or green arrow. Oh, yeah, you don't need the arrow, but the arrow actually is right back here. It is actually our logo, and the arrow does form every time. Started below, came up. First buy stop here. Second buy stop to the blue line there. Third buy stop here. Fourth buy stop here. And I'm telling you right now, this is just too many buys. This is entirely too many buys. I will not be shocked at all if everything comes tumbling down soon. I will not be shocked at all. At all. This is too many 1 hour buys, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour buys. These are just too many. It's ridiculous at this point. So I'm calling the 1-minute sell again, even though it already did it, and I'm going to do it again. Love it. It says Bob Robel, EV US 30, 5-minute, 15-minute, please. Kev, US 30, 5-minute, 15-minute. All right, let's look at 5-minute, 15-minute. I don't even know why we're doing this, but I will do it for him. What am I looking at? 5-minute, 15-minute sell is what you're asking? Yes, that is true. You can play those if you want. I'm telling everyone that has any problems with trading, even my system, to stick with these 15-minute, 30-minute 1 hours until you figure it out. And it's just not, this isn't a sell stop right here on the 5-minute. Can't have it. Now, if there was a 1-minute sell stop, which there isn't, so this is an invalid 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop, because this isn't a sell, this is a buy. For instance, 1, down low, 2, up high, 3, up high, 4, this isn't a sell stop. You can't fucking do anything with it. So this is an invalid 5-minute sell stop. Nothing to do. Did that make sense to you, Robel? Did you go over gold this evening? Thought I did, but I can do it again if you'd like. Let's go over gold one more time. Yeah, I did gold. Yep, I remember. Here we go. Gold, 1-minute buy stop to the blue line. Gold, it's going to form a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. Gold will then form a 4-hour daily buy stop. That's gold. And I'm not doing it again. So rewatch the video. Don't be lazy. I'm not doing that shit fucking again. I'm good. All right, next. You can tell I'm a little tired. All right. Anyone on TikTok have any questions? Anyone on YouTube have any questions? You're welcome, Rebel. All right. I'm done. I'm out of here. I showed you exactly how to trade. These are the call outs for tomorrow. I'm telling you ahead of time, I'd be looking for 1 minute sell stops when they occur. I would take them. We'll see it on our scanner anyways, if you guys have the scanner, which I know one of our gentlemen today had a little issue with understanding that. But the scanner is here. Where's the scanner at? Right here is the scanner. This is the one that if you have $50 a month or $200 a month, you get this scanner. You get the blue line scanner right here. You can see US, no shit, US 30 hit its, hold on. US 30 came down and went below its 1 minute line. Hold on. Is that right? Oh, fuck yeah, it did. What? Hold on. Am I confused on something? Maybe I'm tired. Oh, yeah. No, I'm correct then. Nope. Well, there you go. You're seeing it live and in action. Didn't even fucking know it was there. Right there. If I would look for 1 minute sell stops to the blue line for NAS and SPX, I would say stay in these sell stops until I hit my take profit, whatever that is. I let it run all night long if it kept going down. Every time it repeatedly do this, I would repeatedly do this over and over again. And then I would look for my buy stops to occur. Let's go over here. I would look for my buy stops to occur. Let's see. Look at here. What do you know? This scanner trades exactly like me. I don't think you guys appreciate or understand. For $50 a month, you can have mini-me inside your own. You can be literally looking at these trades. Buy stop US 30. Look at this shit. Buy stop US 30, 15-minute, right? NAS 15-minute, SPX 15-minute. Buy stop US 30, 30-minute, SPX, NAS. It calls it out just like me. I don't know how much more specific I can get. It calls it out just like me. You can't go wrong by $50 a month. You guys piss away $50 a month on bullshit you don't even know. This is worth its weight times a billion. Should be $5,000 a month. Matter of fact, this blue line scanner that is $500 a month, I include it for the $50 a month fee. Who the fuck does that in their right mind? Me, because me and Bri gave it to you free, so we actually care about you guys once you succeed, which is annoying me because then I have to actually deal with what? I have to deal with all these silly things I have to deal with. No way. All right. Anybody have any questions before we go? Anybody at all? Oh, that's too long. I'm not watching that. All right. How can I buy it? Says Mo. What's up, Mo? How can you buy it? You come over here and buy the system right here. Or the scanner, you mean? You can't get the scanner without the system. The system's right here. It's $575 a year. The scanner is $50 a month. After you buy the system, you can get the scanner. And it's not even the best one, by the way. Nope, not the money on any of those. All right. So you buy the system, you get a type form. After you buy the system, you get a type form that walks you through everything. Then if you buy it today, Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you'll be trained in a small group training class. Then you get live with me, by the way. Then you get continued live training with me every Monday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard, live and small group training. So when you buy this, I've been on lives pretty much every day except for a handful of days for 1 year on YouTube. My YouTube channel has almost, I think we're at 800 videos. I have no idea. Let's look. 784 videos. I don't think that's correct. I think we're closer now. I don't think they update 785. I don't think they're quite up to that. But anyway, 785 live YouTube videos where I make these trades every day. Go back. Don't be lazy. Watch a few of them. Instead of asking what's your profit and what's your P&L and what's your, get the fuck out of here. My P&L is 785 live YouTube videos trading live every day. You guys do it. Last week, we had 200 pips made on Monday, 200 pips made on Tuesday, 450 pips made on Wednesday, 300 something pips made on Thursday, and it was like 620 pips made on Friday. I think it was 620 pips on Thursday and 300 something pips on Friday. Either way, it was 1,700 pips made last week. If you don't know what a pip is, I have no help for you. Can't help you. Learn, study, figure something out on your own for the love of God. All right. Anything else? Thank you for doing gold again. You're welcome. Henry Chastain, you're welcome. Tanny B, you're welcome. All right. So everyone's good then. We're all good. Any more questions before I go? Any more questions before I go? Any more questions? Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. I'm about to go and get the fuck out of here for today. All right. Anything else? Mo, if you have any questions, let me know. You're welcome, BHB. Tanny, any more questions? Henry, Bob. All right. God bless you all. Have a great evening. See you on TikTok. See you tomorrow, Lord willing. Probably around, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, something shit like that. I don't know when I'll be on. Because I have to do all my my stuff tomorrow. I swear, if I don't do it first thing in the morning, I don't get around to it. All right. Anyone else on YouTube have any other questions? YouTubers, any other questions? I always give you guys the last thing. All right. Well, guys, I guess that's it. Everybody have a great evening. Bless the night, Robel. Ron, you're welcome. Tanny, you're welcome. All right, guys. God bless. Have a great evening. Talk to y'all later. And I still don't know how to turn this sucker off. Let's go. All right. Have a great night.